If you are a transgender woman or a crossdresser, you know how important skincare is for your feminine appearance and confidence. Skincare can help you achieve smoother, softer, younger-looking, and more radiant skin that reflects your true self. However, skincare can also be challenging for MTF Transgender or crossdressers, as you may face some unique issues and needs that require special attention and care. In this video, we will share with you some practical and effective skincare tips that can help you overcome these challenges and reach your skincare goals. Whether you are just starting your transition or have been living as a woman for a long time, these tips can help you improve your skin health and beauty. How to cleanse your skin properly. Cleansing is one of the most basic but essential steps in any skincare routine. Cleansing helps you remove makeup, dirt, oil, bacteria, and other impurities that can clog your pores and cause acne, dullness, and inflammation. Cleansing also prepares your skin for the next steps of your skincare routine, such as toning, moisturizing, and applying makeup. To cleanse your skin properly, you need to choose a gentle facial cleanser that suits your skin type and needs. For example, if you have dry or sensitive skin, you may want to use a cream, milk, or oil-based cleanser that can hydrate and soothe your skin. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you may want to use a gel, foam, or micellar water cleanser that can remove excess oil and bacteria without stripping your skin. If you have normal or combination skin, you may want to use a cleanser that can balance your skin and address your specific concerns. You also need to wash your face the right way without irritating or drying out your skin. Here are some tips to follow. Wash your hands before touching your face. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Apply a small amount of cleanser to your fingertips or a soft washcloth. Gently massage the cleanser onto your face in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. You should cleanse your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. However, if you wear makeup, you may need to double cleanse at night. This means using an oil-based cleanser first to dissolve your makeup, followed by a water-based cleanser to remove any residue. How to moisturize your skin adequately. Moisturizing is another essential step in your skincare routine. Moisturizing helps you hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin from dryness, irritation, and environmental damage. Moisturizing also helps you improve your skin elasticity, firmness, and smoothness. To moisturize your skin adequately, you need to choose a moisturizer that contains ingredients that suit your skin type and needs. For example, if you have dry or sensitive skin, you may want to use a moisturizer that contains ingredients such as ceramides, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and antioxidants that can replenish and repair your skin barrier. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you may want to use a moisturizer that contains ingredients such as niacinamide, salicylic acid, zinc, and green tea that can regulate your oil production and reduce inflammation. If you have normal or combination skin, you may want to use a moisturizer that contains ingredients such as peptides, vitamin C, retinol, and aloe vera that can balance your skin and address your specific concerns. You also need to apply your moisturizer the right way without wasting or overloading your skin. Here are some tips to follow. Moisturize after cleansing and exfoliating and before applying sunscreen or makeup. Apply a pea-sized amount of moisturizer to your fingertips. Gently dab the moisturizer onto your forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, and neck. Smooth the moisturizer over your face and neck in upward and outward motions. Avoid the eye area and any irritated or wounded areas. You should moisturize your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. However, if you use a night cream or a sleeping mask, you may not need to moisturize at night. You should also adjust your moisturizer according to the season and the climate. How to protect your skin from sun damage. Protecting your skin from sun damage is one of the most important steps in your skincare routine. Sun damage can cause various problems for your skin health and appearance, such as premature aging, such as wrinkles, sagging, and age spots. Skin cancer, such as melanoma, basal cell carcinoma, and squamous cell carcinoma. Hyperpigmentation, such as melasma, freckles, and sunburns. Hypersensitivity, such as photosensitivity, photodermatitis, and photoallergy. To protect your skin from sun damage, you need to choose a sunscreen that offers broad-spectrum protection, high SPF, and water resistance. For example, broad-spectrum protection means that the sunscreen can block both UVA and UVB rays that can harm your skin. UVA rays can penetrate deeper into your skin and cause aging and cancer. UVB rays can burn the surface of your skin and cause inflammation and pigmentation. SPF stands for sun protection factor and indicates how long the sunscreen can protect you from UVB rays. For example, SPF 30 means that the sunscreen can protect you for 30 times longer than without sunscreen. However, SPF does not measure the protection against UVA rays. Therefore, you need to look for sunscreens that contain ingredients, such as zinc oxide or titanium dioxide that can reflect both UVA and UVB rays. Water resistance means that the sunscreen can resist being washed off by water or sweat. However, water resistance does not mean waterproof. Therefore, you need to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating. You should apply sunscreen every day regardless of the weather or the season. Even on cloudy or rainy days, up to 80% of the sun's rays can reach your skin. You should also avoid sun exposure between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., when the sun's rays are strongest. How to enhance your skin with makeup. Makeup is not only a way to conceal flaws and highlight features, but also a way to express your femininity and creativity. Makeup can help you enhance your skin and create various looks that suit your mood and occasion. To enhance your skin with makeup, you need to choose makeup products that suit your skin type, tone, and preferences. For example, if you have dry or sensitive skin, you may want to use makeup products that contain moisturizing and soothing ingredients, such as hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, or chamomile. You may also want to use cream, liquid, or stick formulas that can glide smoothly and evenly on your skin. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you may want to use makeup products that contain oil-controlling and anti-inflammatory ingredients, such as niacinamide, salicylic acid, or tea tree oil. You may also want to use powder, matte, or oil-free formulas that can absorb excess oil and prevent shine. If you have normal or combination skin, you may want to use makeup products that contain balancing and brightening ingredients, such as peptides, vitamin C, or retinol. You may also want to use any formula that can suit your skin and address your specific concerns. These are some of the basic steps and tips for applying makeup. However, you can always experiment with different products, colors, techniques, and styles to create your own unique looks. Makeup is a form of art and expression, so have fun and enjoy it. Skincare is an important part of your feminine appearance and confidence. Skincare can help you achieve smoother, softer, younger-looking, and more radiant skin that reflects your true self. However, skincare can also be challenging for MTF Transgender or Crossdressers, as you may face some unique issues and needs that require special attention and care. We hope these tips can help you improve your skin health and beauty. Remember, skincare is not only about products and routines but also about self-care and self-love. Skincare is a way to take good care of yourself and enjoy your journey as a transgender woman or a crossdresser.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.